In the land of the golden langur, where riders unite, bottle and riders meet, a gathering so right. We ride, we enjoy, we drink and we cheer. TNR joins the party and the fun's crystal clear. Golden Langur Motor Club, leading the pack, ride with pride and memories.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my Son of Borderland YouTube channel. लोगोफोर दिनैहाय गोबावनि उनाव ब्लग लाबोलायबाय दा नोंथांमोना गोबां सोंगासिनो दं ब्लग लाबो ओमफ्राय BRM नि आपडेट बिगासिनो दङ दा खोथा बेनो लोगोफोर बिराद बिजियाव दङ BRM नि थाखायनो ओरै प्रिपेरेसननि थाखायहाय आं ब्लग लाबोनो हायाखै ओमफ्राय नोंथांमोना गोबाङैनो नुबाय दा आपडेट माने दिनैसिमाव मा जागासिनो दङ BRM नि आपडेटआ ओमफ्राय बेयो दिनै जानो थांगासिनो दङ जानो हागौ नोंथांमोना बे ब्लगाव दिनै न'आव जानो हानाय गाबोनसो नुगोन जोंनि आसलफोरनि ब्लगावनो नुजोबखाबाय ओमफ्राय आं बांसिन अफिसियेल खामानि थांनाय जानायखाय आं बे न'आव बांद्राय थाजोबनो हायैखाय जेबो बेनि प्रिपेरेसन आपडेटफोरखौ आं नोंथांमोननो होनो हायाखै दिनैहाय नोंथांमोना मेन इभेन्टखौनो नायदो ओमफ्राय बिनि सिगां अरावहाय होननो थाखायहाय नांगौ नालाय आं दा निउ बङाइ स्टेसनाव फैदों नै एन्ट्रि बेहाय लाङो फैदों नोंथांमोननि नोमबाजि DJ रन मोथिबलाय नागिरदों फैगासिनो दं आङो Hey darling, kidar ho tum? You told me to come late, that's why.
You're supposed to come and wait for us. हम
Sorry.
गेस्ट है.
मैं ऐसे ही किया है अच्छा लगता है आजाओ इसमें नहीं नॉट इन द पेन वेलकम टू 5th edition of Borderland Riders Meet 2025 यहाँ से सीधा तुम्हारा भाभी को लेके इधर कैसा लगा
आपको वेट करना है मुझे और क्यों मेरे को वेट करने दिया है 45 मिनट वेट किया हम ट्रेन स्टेशन में
कितना मिनट
45 ये ट्रेन 5 मिनट जल्दी
मैं तो बेनू में था जब तुम
मुझे पता था तुम झूठ बोल रहे थे इसको बोला ये पक्का वेन्यू में होगा जैसा वो बात कर रहे हैं ना वो वहाँ पे होगा बोल के हम सोच रहा था
अच्छा लगता है तुमको झूठ बोलने और ये है इसका दोस्त She's also single I think
बोरालन शादी करने वाला है
ठीक है इसका तो है इसको रोकेगा
आस्ते से चलाओ
स्पीड जाएगा तो लोगों थांगासिनो दं नोमबाजिखौ लानानैहाय दा डाइरेक्ट बेनो सहैगोन बिनि उनाव she will at night no okay no
I'm a guest
okay हम पहुंच गए बेनो शादी के बाद हम इधर ही मॉर्निंग वॉक करेंगे ठीक है
ओ ये क्या इतना सारा टेंट जो लगा है वो ये क्या ये आप लोग ने लगाया
हाँ हमें लगाया है ये सब
कसम से
हाँ
So guys we are about to reach the venue there is the venue
bye
दुकाननि बाय सफैगौ मानि खोनायाखै औ लाबोगौ थ'दो मन्टाखौनो दे जागोन दे
लायनो हाना होनो
खुद
दैनि थाखाय कबि कापखौ बिहरदो नोंसोरो
दख'नाखौ बाया गारा
दख'नाखौलाय नोंसो लिंहर बिहरदों आङो दख'नाखौलाय नोंनि थाखायसो बिहरदों आङो गानदो दे दख'ना गानखादो
खनजौ लानानै फैनानै ओमफ्राय दख'ना
मा होनदों
खनजौ
the stage of 5th edition Borderland Riders Meet and here's your DJ she's going to sound check
will dance
only you and me
yeah
oh yeah only she and me दा बेहायनो जागासिनो दं नै जों माने सारि सारिटायाव स्टेजआ इन'ग्रेसन जागोन ओमफ्राय बेनिफ्रायनो जालांबाय थागोन बेहाय नोंथांमोना स्टेजखौ नुगोन बेहाय जोंनिया LED बियो बेहाय माखासे माबाफ्रा डिसप्ले जाबाय थागोन एन्ड बेहाय नायोब्ला जोंनि केम्प साइट एरिया बेहाय जाजोबगोन बेयो स्टेज एन्ड दिस साइड इज डाइनिं एन्ड हियर इज योर DJ
Don't shoot me I look so bad
camera is good don't worry
मुझे पता है
if you look bad also then my camera will make you देख इतना खुश वाह ज़्यादा खुश हो गया ठीक है कोई बात नहीं
You guys have to join me.
morning. बे स्ल' रेसानो थांगासिनो नोंथांमोना नायनानै ला स्ल' रेसा माबायदि जागोन आं उन थागोन फुरा हागानो मोना नुयो गुड लाक जेक थुनबाय दा ना थुनाखै Yeah, you are fast. Come. ये तो होता है भाई Yes, you are first, Jack. Come on. Out. जल्दी out. Tata. No, disqualified. Final round, na?
This is the final round. From here, we will be giving first and
Man.
second. Please follow your own track. Wonderful.
Final round.
Good effort. Please be on your own track. Yes.
Hey, udah. Banda
Please clear the track.
Yung
My
saya.
brothers, please move out.
Back.
Move out, clear the track. Wonderful. Good effort. Yes, you are disqualified, brother. Please, out.
Ada.
Follow your own track. Follow your out. You have changed the track. That was not your track. You are the second last participants. You came in. Fight with your shoulder.
Fight. This is
All
called
right.
cockfight.
Shall we start?
Bro.
On my
Hello.
first whistle, you have to hold your left
I'm here in
my
the
second
cockfight arena.
shoulder. Come on, fight!
जान से मारो.
Out. Out.
जान से मारो.
You're out. Brother, out.
Three, only three left.
Wow, we have the strong three cock here.
Oh, इसको मारेगा.
Hey, 2 versus 1. 2 versus 1. Oh, wow. We have the last. Both are from the same team, the strong cock. Oh, wonderful. We have a winner here for the cock fight. What's your name? Vincent. All right, please note down his name. Make sure that you will not make injuries to your opponent teams. It's a brotherhood friendly match. We have the first winner, that is Ganjima Motorcycle Club.
Oi.
Next,
Mana
next
berada?
match we have between. Ready? 1, 2.
Tarka.
Come on, make some noise for Bonasso. Come on, make some noise for Catalio. Make some noise. Make some noise.
Kau yang mana?
Bonasso. Catalio. Wow. Top match. Come on. Push yourself. Come on. Try. Going hard. Wow, wonderful. Try. It's a tough match. Between Bonasso and Catalio. Yes, you can do it. Come on. Push. Yes. Catalio. Change the game. Wow. Wonderful.
Almost.
Closer. Winner, the best match. The winner is
Yeah.
I can hear you. Are you ready? All right. This is please go out.
तेरा जान निकल जाएगा साला.
Excuse me, please. move
जान
out.
निकल जाएगा तेरा.
We have to see the safety of the girls. Please. All right. Ready? Yes.
Dabak.
On the count of 2 with a whistle. 1, 2. Wow. Wonderful. Oh, yes. This side is the winner. Winner. Winner, you don't have to take the ropes at your home. Please don't take this rope. We have more games.
और
Well played.
कैसा लगा? मजा आया कि नहीं? मजा आया।
Jordan's awesome.
हाँ, मजा आया। जान निकलने वाला था तुम्हारा।
How you felt after winning? Excuse me, ma'am. How you felt?
And you ready? You ready?
Sure.
This is the final round of tug of war. Gangzima Gateway MC versus Durbol.
Hands on wheels. I request both the teams.
Hi.
Please take a
How are
hand
you?
and show the brotherhood spirit.
आइया किसको दिया?
Kindly take a hand, both the teams. Yes. Well played, guys.
क्या ये?
Borderland Pay.
Guys, it's starting right now.
Go! Here we start the dirt race. चलो भाई चलो. 350 category bullet.
Let's go!
नोंनि गोग्लैनायनि नायथारगौलां Deep in.
Deep in, have a good start. Is on track.
Let's go!
Yeah, you got a good drift. Yeah. Amazing.
Jiggly bum bum hai.
Any comment for Deepen?
Jiggly bum bum.
You can do it! Oh, big man! Big man, yes! The real dirt race. Hebu jali diok. Manusia keyboard saya kaya. Wow. Terima lah, boy. Yes, big man, you can do it. हाय डार्लिंग हाई बोल के जाओ ना हाई बोल के जाओ ये हाई भी नहीं बोलता ये ऐसा थोड़ा ना होता है बिना हाई बोल के निकल गया हाय ये नहीं होगा आदमी किधर है वाह असला aku dah sana ये berai hinjuan नु नकल गेलेनो बेटा गाखोफादो Oi, dere! Hara, baby! Ayo! Udah gede dah. Ah, beraya jeru mesti kan lah malai. Nengi onai huflana salah. Nana ho. Yes, you can do it. जोर लगा के दबाओ आगे से आयो सुना आयो 아야 존나 불가능 아야 are you okay? Come on 아야 피한정 아야 존나 아야 내라 아야 come on what 나가래 존나 what come on Come on, Sonam, you can do it. Tinjauan sira onbre le, oi thar onbre khai le jo, wala chikan khapra, but chamna wala. अगर इसकी जगह लड़का होता है ना नहीं जाता मैं जोर लगा के दम सीधा जाओ मैं इधर हूँ मैं सीधा बाहर से खाना इसलिए गुगली बैठे यस यू डिड इट बुखांग मन नहीं थे ना गुगली बुखांग मन नहीं आं बुखांग ले नों दाग बांग से नहीं दावर ना लिजाया आंखौ मेगन सालायले दं बुखांग नहीं खारलांगोन आं केमेरा फाय सना रिसि दङ आं रिसि दङ नै आं रिसि दङ
Good. Let's go.
Ay, down to. Roll ay, down to. Why did down to? Yeah, good. Jump berai go ne. Eh, like gajra bali begin do. Ay, sakti ang rentar mo. Ungka. Wah, ba. Mun selamat jeng. Oh, salde. Mun selamat jeng bukan ini. Tiendar le nungsar. Ah, tiendar nungsar. Oh, nang tiendar le, kesat. Orang क्या पोपो कर रहा है तू? Horse or doggy? लोगों डार्ट रेस जोबनानै फैबाय दायो जोङो दस्रा एक्टिभिटिसो थांगासिनो दङ Hey bro
Good evening, brothers. So, you're enjoying, right? All of you are enjoying. Yes? We all will do it again in the next BRM, and we will do it very hard. Yes? Thank you so much, brothers. Okay, so we are called Rotary Hawks, and we are based from the Baksa district, from the Borderland region. Hey! And thank you so much, Golden Langur, for such a nice organization. And thanks to Abra, very much. Thank you so much, Abra, for giving us opportunity to host the next BRM. And yeah, thank you all so much, brothers, for being with us and wishing us congratulations and everything. Yes, thank you so much. And brothers, I hope you are enjoying now, and we'll expect you all to enjoy with us in the next event that we will be hosting in the Baksa. Yes, brothers. Okay, Baksa. So, brothers, Baksa is a very good, beautiful place. I hope you all have been there in the second edition of the BRM, and once again it will be there in the Baksa region, and we will show you more beautiful place just like the second BRM edition, and I hope you all will be there to support us. Yes. Thank you so much, brothers. Thank you so much.
A hearty congratulations to Kachari Hawks, host of Borderland Riders Meet 2026. Also, we would like to felicitate President of all Borderland Riders Association, Abra, Leo from Wild Souls. His contribution has been monumental. Thank you so much.
I should run for election, I think. Thank you. Safe ride back tomorrow. Ride safe. In any part of our region, if you face any problem with your motorcycles, kindly do contact us. Thank you. Safe ride. So thank you so much. This will be the last goodbye in the BRM. Thank you, Chief. Thank you so much for coming and supporting us. Please do come again the next BRM. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, we'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon. See you soon. And this one? This is the brother. I got this from him. Thank you so much.
That is my from wife.
Thank you, Babiji. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Okay. Bye. Please, Royal Independent Rider, safe ride, everyone. Safe ride. Bye, safe drive. See you again. Yeah, bye. Thank you, Rollheads brothers. You made our event very successful and beautiful one. See you again. And Rollheads, one of the best band, I can say. Thank you so much, brothers. Thank you. Safe drive. Okay. Text me once you reach. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Iron Monkey. Thank you so much for everything.
For the good times that is provided.
Hey. We'll see you soon, very soon. Okay. Thank you so much. Anything you want to say? Thank you. Got it, I was in Palke.
जाएगा रे
मत जाओ
बाय बाय कब है कोकराझार आओ फिर कोकराझार में है ना यू स्टे विद मी
यस
अच्छे से आना
तेरा बिल्ली लोग को मार के खा देगा
Thank you so much. Bye. गाड़ी नहीं जा रहा पीछे